It's almost 20. Yeah. Yeah. You want to go back a little bit more? Gotta go back a little bit right now. Okay. She's got a little sideways.
Go too fast. Come on.
There you go. That's clear.
Start it up, Sam.
Oh yeah. She turns. Yep, she turns. Somebody was messing with it. They got a jumper wire here for the coil. But yeah, it turns. I believe him when he said it was rebuilt. I mean, it certainly looks like it.
It looks like if you plug a battery into this thing, it's going to work.
Yeah. The carb looks great.
Yeah.
The wires look good. The fuel pump looks newer. The fuel lines are all metal and new. Newer. Look at that 5-digit VIN number. It's old. Nice full visor. Get that washed off. It's all over.
Yeah, so could you just hit that with a hammer, or is it layered?
There's our roof brakes in the way. I think that's why they did it. It's behind both roof brakes. But bed, but the bottoms of the doors are nice. Look at the rocker in here is perfect. Wood floors are still in it. Keys are swinging. I think this one's going to be.
Must be sent out. Need new or rebuild this. Wait for the gas tank.
Check it out.
There's a new old stock taillight. Look at this. Wow. Wonder what that's worth. There's the original. Man, is that nice. This is the wiring for it. You can take that floorboard out and take that original battery out while I get my clothes on. You know where Shady Avenue comes out? Shady side.
Boom. Floor out. Oh wait, Joe, I got it. Where's the battery pull?
You know that. Is there a date on there?
Well, I see a range between 91 and 94.
That's about right, because that catalog is a 91 catalog. What's this?
That's rivets in the front. I'm not here for long. I ended up gaining an extra hour this morning. My work pickup's late, so. Yeah, so the story is this is rebuilt. The engine. You want your topside creeper?
That's invaluable when you need it, but right here, you really can't use it. I mean, you're standing right here, you're changing the carburetor. Why would you need anything else?
I'm gonna buy something that you have to use it.
Yeah, well.
What vehicle is that invaluable so I can go buy one to get it used for the first time ever?
Did you get a title?
No. I gotta run numbers. If it doesn't pop in the Pennsylvania system, then I can get a title real easy. If it pops, then I can still get a title. It just takes longer.
Here's the original color, Pete. Look at this. Dark blue.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. I got no idea what the truck's worth. Well, it's a good thing that I have a bunch of interest in it because I screwed up and paid 3 times the amount that I thought I was for it. So, and I didn't realize it until it was time to pay.
kids didn't get a chance to pull the keys and throw them.
A 68 Mustang convertible. It's down in Connellsville. It's nice. It's that presidential blue, white top, teal interior. They're asking 15 grand for it. It's a 289 4-speed car. It looks nice. It looks good. Needs a gas tank. I guess this guy needs to work. Same auto repair before.
Maybe they drained it.
Joe, do you want me to put that up top for you?
And, this is an angle to hold the bed down. Tire tools. Flags to go with the flares. Emergency breakdown kit. Tire iron.
That's a hoop gas cap.
Yeah, and that might be like a battery cover or something. That's a cover for something. Was there a hole in the floor? No, it's an external cover. What's that, Pete?
That door frame in the S10 was the wrong size. That's all. That's for the detail shop. That company just got me all screwed up. Look how it turns this to. This is the outside door handle. That's super neat.
You don't have to worry about wheel cylinders.
Why?
This has mechanical brakes.
Oh, nice. Doesn't look rich. Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Sweet. Yeah, real nice. Yeah. Yeah, a little close.
Well, they're supposed to be 25,000.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the R44s.
Do you know what engine this is?
Pete's thinking it's a 216. Yeah, if we had a sandblaster, I'd just clean them.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. Used to have one with custom bodies. It was a little handheld.
We have it here. What is, we don't have any sand.
With a sack on it?
Yeah, and well, no, let me rephrase it. We had one here.
Yeah.
You know, the value of scrap was greater than the value of the tool. Is the best way I could say it. Someplace to put this metal for this GMC.
Another table.
Because we need to move this table out of the way to get to our lift and stuff. Okay? So to do that, we need to move the table over.
Did you tell me to throw this fucking thing in the strap in? This gap is fuel tank?
Yeah, we got some kind of adapter in there.
Oh, like an anti-foul.
Yeah. There we go. That was on number 5.
What's up with that? That brake?
No, anti-fouler. Keeps the oil off the plug.
It's full. 1440. Well, it pumped up to 50 now, Rich. So I think we'll be good. With the hinges. Tell if there's oil pressure, and well, once it fires, okay?
Yeah.
And what else? Oh, generator.
Yeah.
Okay, key on.
Key on, I'm ready.
Go ahead, start it.
All right, Andy. Chuck, I'll pour it out. Here, hold on.